Hey there, Bumble users. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest app features to make your dating life a breeze. Today, we're tackling a common scenario: how to unblock someone on Bumble in 2025. Maybe you blocked them in the heat of the moment, or perhaps you've had a change of heart. Whatever the reason, unblocking is straightforward once you know the steps. This guide is perfect for anyone looking to reconnect quickly and safely. First things first, make sure you have the Bumble app updated to the latest 2025 version. Updates often include new privacy features, so this ensures everything runs smoothly. Start by opening the Bumble app on your phone and logging in with your account. Once you're in, head to your profile icon, usually located in the top left or right corner. It looks like a little person silhouette. Tap on that, and you'll see a menu pop up. Scroll down and select Settings or Account Settings. In the Settings menu, look for a section called Privacy, Blocked Users, or Safety Center. Bumble might tweak the names slightly in 2025, but it's typically under one of these. Once you find it, tap on Blocked Users to see a list of people you've blocked. Now, here's where the magic happens. Scroll through the list and find the person you want to unblock. Tap on their name or profile, and you'll see an option to unblock or remove from blocked list. Confirm your action when prompted. Bumble might ask for a quick verification to prevent accidental changes. And just like that, they're unblocked. A few quick tips to keep in mind. After unblocking, the person might not immediately show up in your feed, as Bumble uses algorithms to match users. If you're worried about privacy, remember you can always block them again if needed. Also, in 2025, Bumble has enhanced features like Undo Block for even easier corrections, so keep an eye out for that. There you have it. Unblocking on Bumble is simple and stress-free. If you follow these steps, you'll be back to swiping in no time. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more dating app tips, and hit that notification bell. See you in the next one.